Prithvi. Yes, Sia, wait, Sia, wait. Next question I will ask you. Come on, Prithvi. Stops the check. I can't hear.
King will move to F7.
Perfect. Because now king has many places to move. It can move here, it can move here.
Sir,
Yes, it can move here.
Sir.
Now, yes.
what's meaning of check?
Yes. Check. Check means attack on king. Check means when there is an
And technique means
king cannot escape that check. King cannot go anywhere else. That is checkmate. Yeah. So king,
thanks, sir.
king, as there is an attack on king, as well as there is an attack on rook. You see, there are two attacks. So if king moves anywhere else, the rook is unsupported. Very bad. So that is why king has to move over here to give the support to the rook. So this is the best answer. Good one. Proceed. Next question. Dev Dedia. Black to play. And make.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes. Who is that?
Sir, anyone is saying hello?
Yes, I can hear, but who is that? I don't know. Yeah, Dev,
Sir,
your turn.
sir, queen will play above the king. Means B2.
B2, okay. But is that place safe? I always emphasize the place should be safe.
Yes, it's not safe, but it is supported by the black king.
Yeah, very good. It is not safe, but that particular place is attacked by white queen and white king both. So there are two attacks and support is only one. So two attack, one support, who will win? Attacker. There are more number of attacks. Are you getting this? So this check, though what you are saying is, it is good, but it is not very good, because this queen will capture this queen, black queen, and black, the winning chance is there, black will lose his winning chance. So here the correct check would be this. Just because there is a piece on C1 square, this white king cannot move. It is stopped. So white king has to move only 1, 2 and 3 squares. So that is why the check from little angular check, this is sufficient. This situation comes very, very often in the game. You try to remember this situation. I will show that situation on the board and how that comes. Just see. Everybody pay attention. There is a very famous checkmate in chess, very much famous. That is, we call it as a 3-move or 4-move check only. That checkmate is called as a scholar's mate. Everybody can write in their notebook, scholar's mate. Scholar's mate. Now pay attention. Pay attention. See, any mate, any checkmate on the board is not due to your own intelligence. Try to understand this. It is because your opponent makes mistake, you are able to do that. So somebody has to commit the mistake, then only the other player will be able to defeat. If you commit mistake, your opponent will checkmate you. If you don't commit the mistake, you won't lose at all. Opponent doesn't commit the mistake, you won't be able to defeat him at all. So there must be one mistake. So when we are learning these all checkmates, this is the first checkmate what we are learning is a scholar's mate. That is because of not following the rule of
Sir,
check. Yes.
what's meaning of check?
Check means attacking the king. Check means attacking the king. So here rule, just now I have told you the rule. What are the rules? When there are two attackers and only one supporter, attacker
Thanks, sir.
yeah, attacker wins.
So which attacker?
Yeah. So when there are two attacks on anybody, or when one attack is on a piece, if there is one support, that support is sufficient. One attack, one support. Two attacks, two support should be there to safeguard. Now, if you don't follow this simple rule, then what happens is this following. Just see what happens. Usually in any game, this is the most common thing, common move everybody plays. Pawn e4. And response to this move is this. Pawn e5. Then there is a next move is this. Bishop c4. Now what this is doing basically, all these moves, I will explain that also. When white moves this, actually what white says, it says to his opponent that I am going to control these two squares. These two squares are mine. And I dare you. That means he challenges basically. Challenges, board is mine and these squares are mine. So now you play, otherwise I am going to control entire board. That is what he says. Now black replies in a similar fashion. Black says, okay, you control these two squares, then I will control this and this square. Opposite. So again, control is similar. Here what happens after this moves, this bishop comes over here, as I told you. What this bishop says, I am controlling this, and I am now ready to capture this also. White thinks little bit and says, okay, you are attacking on this, but there is a support from king, so I should not worry.
So
Yes, beta.
king and queen are same in check.
Yes. So what happens? You keep your microphone mute, beta. Yeah. So,
Okay.
yeah. What happens? King says that there is a support from him. No worry. So black develops his pieces, saying giving support to this pawn and attacking this pawn, this square also. This is what happens. So this move, or there is another move which black plays, this move. Usually these two moves are played and they are not bad yet. They are not bad. One attack, one support. So it is following, correct? So now white plays this. This is third move. Now there is this attack and these attack, two attack, and only one support, only one support. So this is very, very now danger situation. But as per rule, black should give second support to the pawn. You understand that? But instead, black many a times play this, or many a times black say, okay, I play this, attacking queen. This is the attack on the queen. And this is the mistake what black does. And then queen captures this, and this is a check and mate. Now king cannot move because of his own piece. Cannot come up, cannot capture, nobody can capture because there is a support. So this kind of checkmate, that is at f7, I tell you f7, or black ने अगर white को दिया तो f2. Queen coming on f7 or f2 and giving checkmate is also termed as a scholar's mate. It is in 4 move. It requires 4 moves. And that has happened just because of black's ignorance, not following the correct protocol, correct law of chess. Here, if any other move black would have done, the checkmate would not be there. Even if black would have done this,
What meaning of checkmate?
checkmate is not allowing king to move anywhere else. So here, if black would have moved over here, this pawn, this will go over here, again continuing the attack. And possibility of scholar's mate. Now if this does this, checkmate. You understood scholar's mate, everybody? Any question regarding scholar's mate? This is a mate in 4, and there is also a minimum checkmate in minimum moves, that is mate in 3. Anybody know about it? Mate in 3, only 3 moves. Only 3 moves. And if the mate is towards white, means white is mated, only 2 moves are sufficient. 2 moves, can you imagine? Within 2 starting position and 2 move mate. And that mate is because of that particular opponent's foolishness. I am using the word foolishness, and that is why that mate is also called as fool's mate. F-O-O-L-S, fool's mate. So you can write it down, fool's mate. These 2 mates you should always remember. Why? Because nobody should be able to mate you this way. Not because you would be doing it. You may do it, perhaps. बट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि किसी ने आपको स्कॉलर्स मेट या फूल्स मेट किया और सब लोग बोलेंगे कौन है तुम्हारे सर, क्या सिखाते हैं उनको, सीधा इतना भी नहीं सिखाने के लिए आए क्या. I will show you that fools mate. Everybody pay attention for fools mate. First I will show you 3 move mate and then 2 move mate. Both are same. First move, this. First move, black does this. Second move, this or this, anything this side, anything, or even as usual this move also. Fine. For black, second move is this. क्या ब्लैक क्या सोचता है कि अगर अटैक है तो मैं अटैक नहीं है, मैं आगे निकलता हूं तो देयर वोंट बी एनी अटैक. Okay?
What meaning of attack?
Attack means you want to capture the piece, that is called attack. Attack. You are going to capture that piece, that is attack.
What meaning of capture?
Capture means taking that piece, removing that piece from the board. Opponent's piece, if you want to capture, that is
So
capture.
means we have to capture the piece of king with a
Yes. 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 You are right, beta. Okay. So second move usually is done this.
so
Yeah. Usually is done this. Now third move is this. Check and mate. Can you see the mate now? Now simple. अबे ये व्हाइट का सेकंड मूव ये नहीं होता था और उसके बदले में ये भी होता था तो भी चलता था, कोई नेसेसरी नहीं. देयर इज नो सपोर्ट ऑफ एनीबॉडी, नो गोइंग नियर द किंग, नथिंग, सिंपल चेक and king is not able to move over here or move anywhere else. So this is totally foolhardiness. Moving these pawns near the king is bad, and that is why it is called as fool's mate, and it is a three movement. And how the two movement, wait Divya, let me explain. How the two movement is done, it is reverse. White plays this first move, black plays this, white plays this. Now it is black's second move, mate, sorry, mate. It is a two movement from white black side. This is a fool's mate. So white king के यहाँ के पॉन्स ज्यादा आपको ऊपर नहीं लाने हैं, एटलीस्ट जब तक आप सीख रहे हैं तब तक. Knowingly if you are bringing is different and unknowingly bringing is different. This is unknowingly or foolishly. So never do this, create this gap, never create this gap in your game initially. Or you try to protect this f2 or f7, whatever your side is, so that there will not be any scholar's mate. Everybody understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
yes, sir.
Durga,
Yes, sir.
तुमच्या आयुष्यात, everybody listen, you will never get checkmated with this full sweat. You ensure that. Scholar's mate, I understand, not in 4 moves, but in 10 or 15 moves or 20 moves, it is possible. Again, that's scholar's mate. Because that particular position. But full mate, sad. If you are getting full like this, just leave the chess. It is not your cup of tea. Okay? And those players who will get checkmated like this, full mate, you don't play with them. You try to teach them first and then you play with them. Okay? So what we were actually looking at is a different thing. This thing. This is a sort of scholar's mate. Now I have compared. No place for king to go because of his own piece. And with this support, there is a checkmate. You can see that. Similar, very similar situation like scholar's mate.
Technique
But
is
scholar's
a
mate
girl
happens
or
in
boy.
F2 or F7. Scholar's mate happens F2,
The
F7. Yes, Divya.
technique is the boy or the girl.
Boy, I didn't understood what you said.
Technique is a boy or a girl.
Checkmate is a boy or a girl. No, it doesn't have any gender. No gender. It is not gender biased also. Checkmate is checkmate, nothing else.
Okay.
Yeah. The king is a male usually, but still a player playing could be a male or a female. In chess tournaments, for all of you, your information, girls can play with the boys. It's an open tournament. But boys are not allowed to play in girls section. Generally, chess tournaments are open tournaments. Anybody can participate. Boys and girls equal. But there are specific tournaments which are meant for only girls.
So
At time,
The
Organizer.
technique will attack the king, then the king will harm on technique. No?
Yes. Yes. You understood this? Let us move ahead. Yeah. Black to move.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, black to move and checkmate the king. Now there are two different checks possible over here. Two different checks possible over here. Nihar, you are going to tell me. Nihar.
So we can bring the rook to c1.
Perfect. Now there are two checks. This is also a check. That is
Yeah.
h6 and c1 is also check. But when rook moves to h6, king can move over here. There is a place to go. But when this moves over here, there is no place to go. It cannot move over here. It is a line of check and it cannot come up because of this king. Now this checkmate also all of you will try to remember. These are very important checkmates, this kind of. Because see, these situations are going to repeat.
So, if the technique will turn into the check, then
Yes, I didn't get it. What it is? There is a check from rook, right? Rook is giving check. Now king cannot come up because this will be able to capture.
so what meaning of rook?
Rook means elephant. This is elephant. C1. Sia, whatever questions you have got, please ask me afterwards, okay? Divya, sorry. Divya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You can ask me afterwards, okay?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Huh? So what I was saying is that this kind of checkmate, this is a checkmate with one rook and one king. Here, this situation over here is just because this is in the corner, king is over here, it is okay. Otherwise, usually you will have this kind of situation. See this. Or if it is here, this kind of situation. This is always a mate. These upper three squares are guarded by this. Hey, मैंने उल्टा किया क्या? Sorry. Upper three squares are guarded by black king. This guarding this, guarding this, and guarding this. So all these three squares are not available for white king, and white king is given check from this back line. This is a mate. Here instead of rook, there could be queen also. No issues. But if king is over here, this is like this position, then it is not a checkmate. King will move. So king has to be just head on with the other king. Exactly opposite. Exactly opposite. Now, if white king is in the corner, this is not mandatory. So black king can be over here because it has to control only 2 squares. Here there are 3 squares to be controlled. That is why it has to be exactly opposite. Otherwise, this is also okay. And this is also okay. And check from here by this or by this, anybody. So this position often comes in the game. Many a times you will end up with the situation you are having a king and rook, opponent is having only king and you have to mate. That is what we have to learn. After our checkmate drills are over, we are going to learn these checkmates. 1 rook checkmate, 2 rook checkmate, 1 queen checkmate, and most difficult is 2 bishop or 2 horse checkmate. Most difficult. Even if you don't learn that, that is also okay, at least at this stage. It will, you will have to learn it after 1 year or 2 years. It is so difficult. So here we go again. You understood the situation? Yeah, next. Now,
So you were going to teach us about en passant.
not yet, not yet. Let me finish this. Once
Okay.
checkmate is finished, and the other checks also, checkmates that just I have told you, when we start little bit of playing on the board, that time I will teach you, because again I am saying it will confuse you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
By that time you will be quite well versed with the.
When you are teaching, we can eat or drink.
Yes, of course, by all means. For everybody it is. It is a good question, and for everybody the answer is yes. I don't mind at all. If you want to eat, eat. But just don't make noise. Okay? And no
Yes,
vada pav allowed. It is too tantalizing. We also feel they eat
What?
vada pav. No vada pav allowed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The situation is this. Now here, this rook is controlling the back side here, and this rook is controlling this entire line. King के सामने दूसरा king है. So where you will give check? This check or this check? That is the only question.
No.
Divya, please mute beta. You are disturbing others. It is not good beta. Let not everybody complains. If anybody is saying anything, no. So please keep your microphone mute. Okay, my request beta. Here, this is also a check and this is also a check. Choice is yours. So what choice you will make?
Sir, can I say?
Who is that?
Himanshi.
Himanshi, no. I will ask to the person who has not spoken yet.
Okay, sir.
Let me find out if there is anybody left. I have to see the participants. Nihar is over. Aditi is over. Everybody is over. Yes, you can say it. Yes, you can say beta. Himanshi? Himanshi,
Yes, sir.
please give the answer.
Sir, E1 rook will move to F1.
Perfect. Because this backside of king is so important. You cannot leave it. Here, when the king is in the border, there is no backside. That is why there is no piece is required to hold those back ranks, back squares. But here, king is in the middle. So you have to hold this line. You don't move this rook at all. And this is the checkmate. Everybody getting it? Next. I don't know why this program is not using two kings on the board. It is very bad, I feel. Perhaps in their next edition, they must have changed it, I hope. It feels odd, no? Not to see both the kings on the board. Although I myself at least feels very odd. Now here, you will find it is easier because these two squares, H2 and H4, they are governed by knight. Very clear. And all this entire G line is with the black rook. So that means this cannot move at all. It is tied up. The only thing you have to do is you have to check, give check. But you can't give check with this. Because if you give check with this, you have to move. And when you move, these two squares will not be in your control. Similarly with the rook also. If you give check with the rook, these squares will not be in your control. If you
So
move.
can I say?
So, who is that? Nihar. Nihar, yes?
So we will move the bishop
Perfect.
to G4. Oh, sorry, F5.
F5. Perfect. Simple. So, concept should be very clear in your mind. What is mate? Mate means not allow the king to move. And जहां जहां वो जाता है, जिस जिस बिल से वो बाहर निकल जाएगा, उसको प्लग कर दो, पहले से भर दो. I had given you the example of rats. तो रैट के 10-12 होल्स रहते हैं जमीन में, बिल रहते हैं, वो कहीं से भी जाता है. आप उसको पकड़ने के लिए जाएंगे तो वो एक बिल में घुसेगा, दूसरे बिल से बाहर निकलेगा. तो उसको पकड़ना है तो उसके सब बिल है वो आपको कवर करने पड़ते हैं. Then only you can catch. Or even a beaver also does the same way. You know beaver, no? Everybody?
Sir, if we don't move that bishop, then also the king is not having any place to move.
Yeah, it
So
is
it's
not,
all.
it is not. Now, if you move the bishop to somewhere else without giving check, that means mate, but it is not a check and mate. For check and mate, there should be a check. Without check, there will not be checkmate. Try to understand this concept. Very clear. And your goal in chess is to do a checkmate to your opponent.
But then, sir,
yeah.
But then, sir, the king was already not having any box to move.
In no box was there, so it is a drill for you people to know how to give the check, and that's all. Already the situation like that. For example, I will show you the same situation. What you are saying, I got it. I will show you that. Supposing, I'll bring this one. Supposing this is the position. This is the position. Now black gives check. It came over here. Moving king is going away from the check. Next, again black gives check. It moved over here. Now it is black's turn. So this is the situation. Now it is not having any square to move. Instead of that, it should have moved over here, right? But here it is on purpose also. I will explain that. If I am white, playing for white, I will not move my king over here. I will move purposely over here. The purpose is, if by chance, see, black is 100% winning. That is for sure. 3 pieces. And white has no chance of winning. No chance of winning. So here, by any chance, this moves over here. No check. What will happen? This is called as a stalemate or as good as draw. Because now white's turn. It is white's turn. White has to move, but there is no place to move. and white doesn't have checkmate, sorry, check, that means आप उसको बोल रहे भागो और उसको उसके हाथ बांध दिए. The situation is like that. आप उसको बोल रहे हो खाओ और मुंह बांध दिया, मुंह के अंदर तो कुछ डाल नहीं सकते और बोल रहे हो खाओ.
Sir, I am not able to hear.
Oh, Himanshi, oh. You haven't, not a single word?
Sir, it's 5 o'clock.
Okay, let me explain this better, but मुझे ऐसा अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Himanshi, you do one thing. Himanshi, you rejoin. Just leave the and rejoin quickly.
Sir, she left.
She left. Okay. Then I will explain next time this thing. You might be having classes at 5 o'clock also. So I will explain that. You write in your book that I have to explain stalemate. Prithvi, you please write.
Sir, I was not able to hear anything.
Okay. I was now are you able to listen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, here there is no check and now white has to move. That means what? You are asking somebody to eat and you are tying his mouth. He cannot eat. Similarly, he doesn't have any legal move left. White doesn't have any move left. But there is no check also. So such a position is called as stalemate and it is as good as a draw. You understood? Draw means point is split between two. Both the players get half of point. Now here black was clearly winning और वो win करने के बदले draw कर रहे हैं. Very bad. And white almost lost. Lost होने के पहले, lose होने के पहले वो draw कर रहा है. It is very good for white. You understand? Chances of stalemate are good. So that is why white has moved over here. Everybody understood this concept?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. So we will meet on Wednesday. Now I hope you have completed all those 15 problems. So I will be sending more 15 problems to you today. Similar problems, checkmate in one only. All the best.